What is cell signaling? Cell signaling is the way cells communicate with each other to coordinate body function. Just like people use phone, message, or signal to share information, a cell also sends and receives signal to survive, grow, defend, and repair.
What is the first role of cell signaling during injury? It acts like an alarm where damaged cells release signals to alert the body. How does cell signaling help immune cells? It calls immune cells like neutrophils and macrophages to the wound site to kill germs and clean that tissue. What is the role of signaling in tissue repair? It activates repair cells, fibroblasts, to produce collagen and helps form a new blood vessel for healing. How does cell signaling keep the healing process organized? It coordinates the phases of healing, inflammation, tissue rebuilding, and remodeling, so they happen in the right order. Why must cell signaling also stop at the right time? To prevent overhealing, which can cause chronic inflammation or too much scarring.
Okay, the first question is, what is the significance of local signaling? It acts quickly at the wound to stop bleeding, reduce damage, and start healing. Second question is, what is the significance of long-distance signaling like cortisol? It spreads through the blood and prepare the whole body for stress and protect against the harm. Third question, why is having only local signaling not enough? Because it only heals the wound but cannot protect the rest of the body from bigger threat. Fourth question, why is having only long distance signaling not enough? Because the wound itself won't heal fast without local action like clotting and repair.
So, what are the mechanisms involved when a wound happens? We're going to take a look at 3 types of local signaling and 1 for long distance signaling. So first, we're going to take a look at juxtacrine, or what we call cells in contact. They are next to each other. So when the skin is broken due to a wound, danger signal is sent. The platelets come to clot and stop the bleeding. Now, move along to paracrine. They are nearby cells that send signals locally. So, this is the role of defense for the immune cells. The molecules like interleukins, cytokines are sent by immune cells to another immune cells to recruit more immune cells to prevent bacterial infection. So, in the picture here, we can see a macrophage eating bacteria to prevent further infection. The third one is synaptic, also involves nerve cells. It is very quick so that it can alert the body of the injury by giving pain signals to the brain. The host will then take action to treat the wound. For long-distance signaling, it involves hormones or endocrine. So we can see here it is usually from a distant organ like brain or adrenal glands that sit on top of the kidneys. So when in pain, adrenal glands release cortisol to urge the body to respond to the pain.
In a quiet village, life is calm and safe. Oh, finally, a peaceful day, nothing to worry about. All good here, no trouble at all. But suddenly, danger sneaked in. Hee 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 hee. This village look weak. Easy target. Help! Someone broke in. The village guard quickly respond. Local defense in action. An emergency signal is sent. Headquarters, we need backup now. The central government reacts. A powerful national army arrives to fight. In conclusion, our body uses local and long-distance signaling to communicate with each other to prevent the wound infection from becoming worse. The end.
Okay. What are the mechanisms involved in local signal